All right, so we're back here today. Kind of getting a late start. It's freaking 11:30. Um, but I want to definitely finish tiling that, that, and I want to see if I can get the floor done because the floor is important to get done because once my floor goes in, then this tile can nicely overlap that, and that's really what we're looking for. And then same thing with the curb. So I'll try to mess around with that today as well. It's kind of pain in the ass because it's natural stone, so it's like kind of all over the place. But check out what I'm going to be working with today. I'm kind of pumped about it. I saw it in a textbook, tiling textbook, and I want to try it out. So I am going to be working today with the Plumb Bob. That is freaking old school. So once that settles, because sometimes, I mean, I see the benefit of it, honestly. Like, I know it's not a laser and everything. I have a laser, so freaking all the peanut gallery people can chill the hell out. I have a laser. Here you go. But what sucks about a laser, honestly, is that let's say I do set it up back here. So I'll set the laser up back here, right? One, I get I knock it over all the time. I know I could probably set it up somewhere in the air or whatever, but I don't have to stand for that and whatever. So, if I set it up here, I could knock it over, I could move it, whatever. But then also what sucks is like, let's say we have that set up and then I'm here and I go to work and set my pieces of tile. Now the laser's I'm blocking it. So I gotta move over and dick around with it that way. So this is kind of cool. I've never installed it with the freaking Plumb Bob, so we'll see how that goes. And why the hell not, and who's gonna stop me, right? So let's see how that goes, and I'll do some videos as I'm installing it.
Lassù in montagna, oh bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, 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 seppellire lassù in montagna, sotto l'ombra di un bel fior, 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 fior.
See what we got, huh? That came out really nice. I'm really happy. So I used a 1/2-inch trowel on here because I wanted to make that crack a little bit better. You see, if that was 1/8 of an inch, that would have been a little bit too thick. So right now, I'll still be able to grout that really, really nicely. So you always want to leave a little bit of a gap here so that the corners don't crack, because when we're going to fill this with the caulking, grout caulking, it will last forever. So that's kind of the purpose of that. Cool. All right, well, I'm happy with that. Now I cleaned up the floor. I'll start working on the floor. Hey, so my number one Mosaic tile advice is to do a 50% offset on your sheets. This way you don't really see where the sheets are, and it's easier to hide them like that.